Hi family, welcome to Secret Email System. I'm Samuel from Unique Reviews channel where I give honest digital product reviews along with super bonuses for products I truly believe in. For anyone looking to start, scale and grow a digital business, this is the best book reveals how to build a seven-figure online business using nothing but ethical email marketing to drive revenue, sales and commissions without ever creating product. Yeah, you can unleash the power of email marketing with secret email system. In the digital era, online businesses are flourishing, but many struggle to maximize their product profits. If you find yourself facing this challenge, it's time to explore the secret email system. This article into significance of email marketing and how the secret email marketing system can help you sustainable achieve revenue growth within a short period. Yeah, if you are interested to download book to check out, please check out my description. You will get full details. Yeah, the power of email marketing in today's world, email marketing has become one of the most effective ways to engage and reach your target audience. With one more than half of the global population using email in 2019 and an expected increase to over 4.3 billion users by 2023, research by Radicati Group. It's clear that email marketing cannot be ignored. This section highlights the importance of leveraging email as a powerful tool for business growth and brand communication. Thank you. And one thing I want to tell you is what inside the ebook. If you give your more value than its price, let's look at you what it teach you only in $5. Yeah, how to choose a huge demand marketplace where you can reach out to a wide audience. Of course, it will boost your online performance and encourage instant conversions and sales horizontally as well as vertically. Here, how he went from working 60 to 80-hour weeks to only 5 hours per week by ignoring the common wisdom, breaking all the rules, turning the digital business model upside and down. Yes, this is completely different, completely new, completely unlike anything you have ever heard before. Yeah, it teaches you how to make your revenue 10x without making extra effects like running ads, dealing with customers for hours. In this book, you will see how Matt Bacak and in millions of dollars and makes his business profitable and sustainable without working a lot. It will teach us you all about autoresponder and its selection, static, and how to make your opt-in page in easy steps quickly. If you are interested to download book, check out my description link in below.